Here's Duchess, chomping up her real food. What a cute kitty. Hello little kitties. And this is Isla. She's the one who had the red collar, which I took off because it was irritating her. She's going straight on to the big girl food. And here's Sunshine. Hello Sunshine. So we all might be anxious, depressed and terrified, but the kittens are sailing on through. And Orange, who's going to be Batcat, is having a lie-in. Hello Batcat. Little kitty. Yeah, my kitty. Oops. Yeah, my little kitty. Yeah, my Batcat. You good boy. Yeah, man. You good boy. We'll get him doing his stuff later on. They're all using the litter trays, which is just fantastic. I'm helping them by having lots of litter trays. Oh, Isla, I think you're probably going to find that a lot easier. This is just cat food that I've soaked, and I've added a little bit of kitty milk. Hello, Isla. Say hello to Sophia and Kana. And thank you for not climbing on me, because climbing on me is kind of bad manners. Okay. Yeah, for all your sort of novice cat owners, the climbing on you is quite cute when they're a kitten, but it's definitely not cute when they're an adult. So if I were you, I would thoroughly discourage climbing on you. Little kitty. And remember, food's more interesting when it's moving away from you. What humans do when their cat goes, oh, I don't want that, you push it towards them and that makes them back off. You pull the food away from them and go, oh, I think I better hunt that. Can you see how much more interesting it is when it's moving away from her? So I want her to be interested in this food. I'm not convinced she has enough teeth to be managing with the other food, though she certainly thinks she has. Hello, little girl. Say hello to Sophia and Connor. There you go. Little kitty. It's another real food. And now I've taken the collar off. She's neither scratching nor moaning, so I think it was just beginning to wind her up. But Isla's favourite place to sleep is in there. And yesterday morning I came in, she was sleeping in there. And so she's pretty adventurous and very athletic. Hello, Sunshine. Hello. She's had some food as well. And there's Lara surveying the world. And my cats and dogs are all wondering why I'm in here. Let me introduce you to my gorgeous little doggies. This is Winty. Hello, Winty. Hello, Lucy. Hello, Sadie. And hello, Roo. You're going to get a walk in a minute. Yeah.